Hi students, this is our part third of first chapter. Our chapter is Early Human Life. Today's our topic is Neolithic Age. I think you can recall our last two parts, that was Paleolithic and Mesolithic. So, our present topic is Neolithic Age. So we can learn Neolithic Age through 5 simple points. What are they? First one is knowing of Neolithic times. The history of man starts from the Stone Age and ends at the Metal Age. Also, the Stone Age starts from Paleolithic and ends at Neolithic Age. Neolithic Age starts with cultivation and domestication of animals. The word Neolithic means new stone. In this era, man started using different types of stone tools. Second point is agriculture and cattle raising. Starting of agriculture changed man's life much more. Settled in one place and they started domestication of animals. They domesticated animals like dogs, sheep, and cows. They used these animals for meat, milk, and skin. Environmental changes, scarcity of food, and population growth are the major reasons of man's thinking about cultivation. For better life and cultivation, man began to settle down at a single place than wandering through different places. The third point is early Neolithic settlements. For better life and better cultivation, man began to settle down in the river valleys, especially for cultivation. You might know that all the main civilizations are situated at river valleys like Egyptian, Indus Valley, etc. It leads to the social organizations and the starting of tribal life. The village chief were the responsible for the villages and the well-being of their members. Fourth point is Neolithic tools. When the Paleolithic man used rough stones, Neolithic man used stones as the tools. They sharpened and polished the stones and shaped those as the tools. While the man started cultivation, they needed some good tools than the rough stones. So they started thinking and they discovered the sharpened tools like plows, sickle, and hand mills. These tools helped a man in his future life. The fifth point is the important milestones of Neolithic man. Neolithic man discovered wheels. They used wheeled vehicles for taking the things from one place to another. That helped them in agriculture much more. Another milestone was discovery of loom technology and started using clothes, and for that they started weaving also. Because of these discoveries, man started to find another places for settlements and for agriculture also. Another milestone was in Neolithic era, man started using of pottery and ceramics. Megalithic structures was another milestone of this era. Man constructed megalithic structures and started worship. So these discoveries helped humans to find better life and better tools. That inquiries end at the discovery of metals. From there, man's another era has started, that was Metal Age. So These are the 5 important points of Neolithic era. So now we can check how we got the informations about the Neolithic age. Famous Australian historian Gordon Childe was provided many informations about the Paleolithic period. His famous works are Man Makes Himself and What Happened in History. We can find the Neolithic sites at all over the world. Edakal Caves at Wayanad are one of the best examples for Neolithic sites in India. We can find some of the best cave paintings also at Edakal Caves. The Lake Village in Switzerland are another example for the technological progress of Neolithic man. These dwellings in the lake were constructed by using logs, animal skin, and mud. Jarmo in northern Iraq is an important site that provides evidence for life in the Neolithic age. The ruins of several mud huts have been discovered from here. These huts had stone foundations, sun-dried brick walls, and sun-dried mud roofs also. The people in Jarmo engaged in agriculture. They stored food grains and exchanged the same. From this picture, you can identify technological process attained in the Neolithic age. We can add these points too into the Neolithic age. Here is an activity for you. Complete the following table. Early man used tools of stones. The stone tools would break easily and could not retain their sharpness. As needs increased, they improved tools also. The tools which helped the progress in social life. This led to the invention of metal tools. The first metal tool was made up of copper. Copper can be heated and molded as tools and ornaments. This was a big change in humans' life. So, Copper Age is a time of profound social and cultural changes. Çatalhöyük in Turkey was one of the famous sites of Chalcolithic age. Ancient forms of urban settlement existed in this site. The ruins of dwellings were discovered from here. Wheat and barley was the major crops were used at this age. Mehergarh in Balochistan is a major Indian site of Chalcolithic age. The evidence for the use of potter wheels has also been discovered from Mehergarh. So, we can conclude our chapter here. Just pay your attentions at the questions. You can find some questions at your textbook also.